Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to continue demonstrating the automation of the remaining test cases under the search functionality. So now we have to automate the seventh test because in the previous session, I have shown you how to automate the sixth test of the search functionality. Now we are going to go with the seventh test of the search functionality. First, let's understand what the test case is all about. Verify searching using search criteria field. Okay. For this, we need to open the application URL in the supported browser. We need to open the application URL in any browser. Once we open that application URL in the browser, we don't have to enter anything into the search text box field. And then we need to click on the button having the search icon. Here we should not enter anything and click on the search button. Then you will be taken to the search page. Once you are taken to the search page, enter any existing product name into the search criteria text box field. Here search criteria text field is there. Here enter an existing product, let's say HP. And after that, I need to click on the search button here. I need to click on the search button here. The moment I click on the search button, in the search results, we should get the existing product. Okay. Searched product should be displayed in the search results is something we need to verify. Okay. So if this product comes, okay, when you are entering HP, the HP related product is coming means we are good to go. This is what we need to automate, guys. It's very simple. So for that, we'll go to the search.java here. The search.java, let's create one more method, that is public void verify search. Okay, search criteria, verify searching per product using search criteria field. Okay, like this, some proper, PyLD field. Okay, proper name for the method you give, any proper name at the rate test annotation method. And then here give priority is equal to 7. Once I give the priority here, guys, the next thing here is, first I'll be there here. Here I should not be entering anything into the search box field, and I need to click on the search button first of all. Okay. To click on the search button, guys, I need to create an object for the header options here. Header options is equal to new header options, and then pass the driver here. Once I pass the driver here and simply say header options dot directly without entering anything into search box field, I need to click on search button here. Okay, directly I need to click on the search button, and when you click on the search button, you will be taken to the search page. So you'll get the object reference of the search page here. Search page is equal to, now copy the search page object reference, and in the search page, once you go to search page here, what you have to do, into search criteria field. Okay, into the search criteria field, we need to enter the search page dot enter search criteria dot enter text into the enter product into the search criteria field. Okay, so where that will be there in the search page, go to search page here. Search page, we have some methods here. Search criteria field is also there, but entering the text is not there. So we'll create a method here, public void enter text. Okay, enter product into search criteria field. Okay, search criteria field. Okay, enter product into search criteria field. Here simply say search criteria field dot send keys. Here I'll say product name. Okay, product name, and here I need to pass the product name here. Okay, that I want to enter into search criteria field. So here just activity we are doing, we are not doing anything else. That's okay. Here we have to enter that, so using that method. So here I'll simply go to search.java here and says search page dot enter product into search criteria field. How to get the product? The product is already mentioned in the properties file, guys. Okay, here you see somewhere here valid product will be there, existing product will be there, existing product is there. Copy this existing product thing and go here and simply write on prop dot get property, and here double quotes give the property name. Enter product into such criteria field, prop dot get property, existing product you have to write. Once you enter the product into such criteria, what is the thing that I need to do here? If I enter here, I need to click on the search button. So I have to go to the search page and see there is a search button related web element created or not. We need to verify. Search breadcrumb, existing product, no product, number of products, such criteria is there, but you need to create the web element for the search button. Private web element, click on search button. Click on the search button. Okay. Click on, sorry, here, simply instead of saying this one, write search button. Search button. Okay. Here write down at the rate find by. We don't know the locator here. So inspect the search button here. Inspect the search button and check the HTML code and see ID is there. Copy this ID of the ID locator and simply say ID is equal to give that ID locator. That's it. Now what I want to do with the search button, I need to click on it. Public void, click on, click on search button. Okay. When I click on the search button, I'll still be there on the same page only. Okay. I need to, when I click on the search button, I'll be there on the search page only. So I don't have to return anything here. Copy this part, search button dot click, I'll say. That's it. Save this. I'll not be navigating anywhere. So I'll be there still in the same search page only. I just need to click on the search button. I'll be there in the same page. Okay. So here, let's go to search.java and here simply say search page dot click on search button. That's it. Once I click on the search button in the search results page, guys, the same search page, we need to verify whether this product has been displayed or not. Okay. How to verify that? Here I need to write down asset true. Okay. Search page dot is existing product got displayed in the search results page or not? What is that here? Is element displayed existing product? What is this existing product? HP product. Okay. So we are verifying successfully. If that particular product comes, then we are good to go. So this is how we need to write the automation code, guys. Okay. For the seventh test, for automating seventh test case. Okay. Here we are searching using the search criteria field. Okay. That's it. Nothing much, guys. It's a very simple one. Okay. So let's run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. Run this to see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, it's working fine. All good. Let's go to the next one. That is go to the eighth one, guys. Okay, eighth test. Verify search using the text from the product description. Verify search using the text from the product description. Okay, so that means I'll go to this application. Let's follow this. Open the application URL in the supported browser. Don't enter anything into search box field. Here, don't enter anything. Click on the search button. So once you click on the search, click on the button having the search icon. Enter any text from the product description into search criteria. Any product you take. Let's take any product, guys. What is the product name? Text in product description of iLife. iLife is one of the text, guys. In the iMac product, it is there. Okay. If you go to the iMac product here, if you go to this, in the description of this product, there is some text known as iLife text is there. This particular text I am going to use for searching. Okay. Once I go to this search results page in the search criteria, I'll enter the okay iLife and then select search in product description option. This checkbox will I'll select and then I'm going to click on the search button and here in the search results I should get the iMac product. Okay, product having the text in the description should be displayed in search results page. This is what we need to automate, guys. Okay, like this we should get iMac using the some of the text that is there in the product description of the product. If you search, we should get the relevant product. Okay, that's what we have to do, guys. So let's automate this. In order to automate this, guys, let's create a method here. Public void verify searching for product using some text in product description. Okay, using some text in product description is some method I need to create. Here I'll write at the rate test. Here I'll write at the rate test, guys. At the rate test I'll provide here and say priority is equal to 8. Then here write down header options. Header options is equal to new header options. Header options and pass a driver here. Put a semicolon here and then once you go to the header option, you don't have to you don't have to enter anything in the search box field. You simply have to say header options dot click on search button. Okay, you need to click on the search button. Once you click on the search button, you'll be taken to search page. Here you have to write object reference of the search page and take the search page. And once you go to the search page, in the search page, what you have to do? You have to enter here, enter product into the search criteria field, right? So instead of entering product in search, enter, here, I need to modify something here, okay? Enter product into search criteria field instead of using this one. I'll go to the search page here. So here, what is the method I created? Enter product into the, instead of that, enter into search criteria field. It can be product name or some text, okay? Text. So simply say text here, okay? So I'll make it kind of thing. So here, I'll copy this method and go here and simply change it here. That's it. It can be product or something. So here, enter into search criteria field. What is that I need to enter here? Some some kind of thing that is there in the description of the product page. Okay. So term in product description. That is item, I life, right? I life is that word. If you remember, that is I life is a word, guys. Okay. Here, I life. Where is I life? I life. This I life I'm going to enter here. Okay. So here I'll go to this and copy this property name. And here I will write down prop.get property. And here in double quotes, give that property. And it will get the property value and enter into that. And after going here and entering that I life here, next thing is that after entering that here, okay, after entering that, we need to click on this. We need to select this search in product description thing. Inspect this checkbox field. And here it has an ID, guys. ID description is there. Is this unique also? Yeah, looks like unique. Search in product description checkbox. Go to search page and create a web element here. Private web element. What is that checkbox field? Search in product description. Search in product description. Product description. Search box field, I'll say field. And here create the web element here at the rate find by ID is equal to give the ID is equal to ID is equal to give that ID. Okay, save this. Now what I have to do with that ID? Public void select search in product description, search in product description checkbox field. I have said it's checkbox field, guys. Okay, product checkbox field. You have to create with that method here. Description checkbox field method you have to create here, and here you have to write dot click dot click. Okay, like this you have to write dot click. Now once you click on this, it will be selected, guys. Okay, it will be selected. This option will be selected. After that, we need to click on the search button. Inspect the search button. Already we created a web element for search button there. So you don't have to do anything much. Go to search.java here and simply say search page dot select search button in the checkbox field and simply say search page dot click on search button. Okay. Once you click on the search button, what should happen, guys? In the search results, we should get this element. Okay. iMac product should come in the search results. Okay. So what I will do here to click on search button and is product having the term in description is displayed or not, we have to verify. So copy this part and here write down is product having description text displayed in search results or not. Here what is that product, guys? Here we have to create a web element for that product like we created for HP. Here we have to create one more element, web element, product having text in description. And here I'll write down at the rate find by link text is equal to give that locator here, that is iMac. Inspect this, verify this iMac thing, give that iMac here, save all, Control Shift F. Okay, Control Shift F, Control Shift oh, done, save all, done, iMac. Okay, so here give this element and simply write down is element displayed. Okay, that's it. is element displayed will take care of the stuff. Okay, all this verification will be done. Okay, then go to the search. What is that, guys? Search.java, and here write down assert true search page dot is product having description in display, and is product having description text displayed in search results or not. Okay, we have to verify that. Okay, so let's run this test to see whether it is working fine or not. We are done with the test and see whether it is working fine or not here. Yeah, it's working fine properly without any problem. We are able to automate it. Now next one. Now this test is completed, guys. Let's go to the next one, guys. The next one is ninth test case. Verify search by selecting category of the product. Verify search by selecting the category of the product. Open the application URL in any supported browser. Don't enter anything into the search box field. First, we have to go to the application here, and then don't enter anything into search box field. Click on the search button here. Okay, then click on the button having enter any product name into search criteria text box field. For example, iMac. Just type iMac here. Here we have to enter any product into search criteria text iMac product will enter. Select the correct category of the given product name in the category drop-down field. So correct category name is Mac. Just select correct category, that is Mac. And once you select the correct category, that is Mac here, click on the search button. You have to click on search button. In the search results, click on search button, and here we have product should be displayed in the search results page. That's we have to wait. Then next thing is select a wrong category in the category drop-down like a PC. This time select PC there and click on the search button. Now you should not get the result. Here, there is no product that matches such criteria should come. All these things I need to verify, guys. Okay. So let's do this. Public void. Okay. Public void. Verify. What is the test case all about, guys? Verify. Search by selecting to search in subcategories. Okay. Verify. Search by selecting subcategory. Selecting subcategory. Okay. Selecting subcategory. How to do this? Let's do. So here let's provide @test annotation and say priority is equal to 9. Then here write down header options is equal to new header options and pass a driver here. Then here write down header options dot click on search button, and when you click on search button you will be taken to the search page. It will return you the object reference of the search page here. Once you get the object reference of the search page here, then so here we are going to click on search. Okay, then into the search criteria we need to enter this iMac thing, right? Enter any, okay, what is that? Category of the product. This is the one, right? We are doing. So enter any product name into search criteria box field. Product name is iMac. Let's enter iMac into that one. So for that, search page dot enter into search criteria field. What should we enter? iMac we have to enter. So that should be coming from the properties file here. Here existing product is there, but here existing product in subcategory is equal to iMac product we have to enter. Okay, copy this property name and here come back here and simply write down prop.get property and give that. Once we enter that, once we enter iMac here, next thing is that in the categories we need to select Mac option. Okay, what is the next thing, guys? What that we have to do here? Select the correct category of the given product into the category drop-down field. Okay, we need to select the correct category, that is a Mac category in the category drop-down field. Okay, so that's what we have to do. For that, so this is a drop-down field, guys. Okay, we need to select an option from the drop-down field which is having the Mac as an option. How to select this, guys? How to select an option from the drop-down field here? Category option. So for that, we have to inspect this drop-down field first. Okay, this drop-down field has a name, guys. Category ID kind of name is there. Or we can create an XPath expression also, not a problem. Simply say control double forward slash select at the rate name is equal to, name may be unique also. I don't know if name is unique or not. We have to find out like this. If only one element is coming, name locator is fine, guys. Copy this name locator. In the drop down field, we need to select the name locator, and we need to select an option from the drop down field which is having the option as Mac. So for that, guys, there are a lot of things that we have to do here. Go to search page. First of all, go to search page here. The search page, we have to create the web element for the drop down field. We have to first create a web element for the drop down field. Private, private web element. So what is this? Category drop down field. Okay. Simply say category drop down field. Put a semicolon here, and here write down at the rate find by name locator is equal to, give the name locator and its value. Done. Now what we have to do in that drop down field, guys, we need to select the option. Public void select option from, select option from category drop down field. Select option from category option field. How to select the option from the category drop down field? Here we need to write the code like this. Select is equal to new select. We need to create an object for the select predefined class in Selenium library, import it from Selenium library. And here we need to pass the web element, guys. Okay. What is the web element that we need to pass? Category drop down field web element we have to pass here. Once we do that, next thing here is, okay. Once we do that, what is the next thing here? Select dot, select dot, select by visible text. Okay. Visible text. And we have to pass the visible text here to select that option. So here, string option. Okay. What is the option that you want to select? Option text. Option text we have to pass here. That option text I'll provide here. Okay. Option text we have to provide here. Save this. So go back to search.java here and write down search page dot select option from the category drop down field. Here we have to say prop dot get property, and we have to pass the option. The properties file, you give the option, guys. Okay. What is the option that you want to give here? Mac option. Category 1 is equal to Mac. Like this, just give some name, guys. Okay. Mac. Okay. Or sample category, you write down sample category. Okay. Sample category. Like Mac, copy this category name from the properties file, and here give the property value name here. Save this. And we'll be entering that into the here. The Mac will be selected here, guys. Okay. Mac option will be selected. Using this method, select by visible text, it will be selected. Once that is selected, what is the next thing that we have to do, guys? What is the next thing that we have to do here? Click on search button. We have to say click on search button. We need to click on the search button. Inspect this. And here already search button related stuff is already there. You can simply write the code here in the search.java. Just write the code here, like search dot click on search button. And once I click on search button, what should be displayed in the search results? When I click on the search, what should be displayed? Here, IMAX should be displayed in search results. Okay. So here, open this and simply, okay. So we have to do some changes here. Is product in category displayed in search results, and here it's the same product, right? Simply write down IMAC product. Otherwise, copy this IMAP product and here paste it. Here also do the same thing. Okay. That's it. Okay. Whatever it is. Is product in category displayed in search results? We have to verify. So here I'll write down assert dot assert true and write down search page is product in category displayed in the search results. If it is resulting into, the rest is passed. Save this and run the test here. Save this and run the test there to see what is happening there. Is the test working or not? IMAC has been entered into such, and here the test got failed. It's not working fine. No such. Cannot locate option with the text Mac. Okay, it's not able to locate the option in this thing as Mac here. Mac is not getting selected here, guys. Okay. Inspect this Mac option. Inspect this option and see what is the visible text and all. Select this and go to the Mac thing. Okay, there is something like this. You see, not just Mac. It's some spaces are there. Okay, some spaces are in the Mac. How to do that then? Product description and here give that spaces and give Mac. Let's see. Can I give like this? Not correctly spelled. It is saying right. The problem is in this some tab spaces are there here. Okay, this Mac some tab spaces are there. Mm, okay, it's not visible. Okay, it's not able to select Mac here. Then what we can do here? Space, space, space. What does this mean actually? Let's find it out. Okay, ampersand n nbsp. Ampersand nbsp means is actually one of the most frequent used in NSB stands for non-breaking space. Means that strings separated with this and put into separate lines. Okay, so what does it mean? Non-breaking space. It means non. It's in the same line. Okay. Okay. So we have to find it out what to do and all. Okay. Let's go to ChatGPT and find it out. How to select a drop-down field option having ampersand n bsp in its text between the tags using Selenium Java. You don't have to break your head nowadays. Everything is coming. Let's see whether we'll get the solution or not, first of all. Mhm. Replace with the actual text with okay. Select by visible text is there, but here we have to pass NSBP also. So what is the HTML code they mentioned here? Okay. Okay. Can you give a proper example along with HTML code? Guess what they are doing? For option 2, you see NSBB is there. Okay. This part we have to give here. How many NSBPs are there? We have to find out again. Go here and inspect this option and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The HTML code, what is there? Semicolon, where that? Here we have to provide. Here, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So I'll do one thing. I'll go to the properties file and try this out. Okay, let's see whether it will work fine or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, we'll try this out, sample category, and just go here and yeah, that is there here. No. Let's see whether it is working fine or not this time. Some solution we got, but whether the solution is working fine or not, we have to check. The categories, it need to select that category. No, it's still not working. Cannot locate with the text Mac. Mm-hmm. It's giving some spaces, but may not be enough. Okay, I don't know. Let's do one thing. Just refresh this page and inspect this field here. Expand this. PC option also have the same number of things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 are there. Okay. Okay, we can go with a different approach here. That is remove this part and here go down. Here go to this search page actually. And here write down is product category displayed in search results. Hmm. What is the method I am doing here? This method. Instead of this, select option from category dropdown field. Here say select dot select by index. And here let's give the index number. Int index number. Copy this index number and paste it here. Let's try this approach and see what is happening. Save this and go back here and write down select option from the here. Give the search page dot select option from the category drop down field and here you have to give the index. I think so. Only index, right? Index number we have to give. Okay, let's give the index number is another method. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the index. Okay, let's give 3 and try out whether it is working fine or not. Run the script to see whether it is working fine or not. Yeah, it's selecting and is working fine now. Okay. So somehow we have to get the solution, guys. If not, we have to figure out what is the way. Okay. So we found one other way and got it done. Now save this and let's go with the next one. 10th one. I think we can stop here for this particular test. Let's stop here and let's automate the remaining test in the next session. So we have learned something new anyhow. So 3 tests we have automated, that is 7, 8, 9. The next session, we are going to automate 10, 11, and whatever that is possible here. Okay. Till ninth test case, we have automated in this session, guys. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.